Welcome back to Healthy Eats BLS. Today guys, we will be making the most healthiest juice ever. Here are the ingredients: turmeric, ginger, spinach, peach, lemon, papaya, lettuce, apple, carrot, and of course beetroot, and also 2 pegs of garlic. And I'm also going to be using honey for the sweetener for this delicious healthy juice. All of these vegetables and all of these foods guys are very good for your health, good for your body, good for your hair, good for your nails, good for your skin, good for high blood pressure. So make your juice guys and drink your juice. Feed your body with the right stuff guys. When you put the right stuff in, you will get the great results on the outside. Let's get straight into this video guys, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and touch the post notification bell to all so you will be alerted the next time when I post a new video. Like the video guys, thank you so much. So here I went ahead and I already cut up all the fruits and the vegetable, so we're gonna get into the blending segment. Thank you so much. Here I will be adding the ingredients to the NutriBullet. So I'm adding lettuce, and I'm going to be adding the spinach along with the beetroot, ginger, followed by the rest of the fruits and vegetables. And I will be blending this into 2 portions. So I will be using 2 bottles of water. Each bottle is 8 ounces, so I will be using 2 bottles. Here I'm adding half of lemon to the NutriBullet. Now I'm adding 1 bottle of water. Time to blend. Here we go. Finish blending, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna strain off this juice. Here I'm using a spoon to ensure that I get out all the juice from the pulp. Here is my honey, and I'm going to be using 3 spoons of honey to sweeten my juice, or you can sweeten this juice to your own taste. Here I'm pouring the most healthiest, delicious juice into my bottle. It is so refreshing and nice guys. Thank you so much. Remember to like this video, share the video out, and if you're new, remember to subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell so you will not miss out on my next upload. Take care of yourself guys, and I'm going to see you again in another video. Bye.